How to add multiple stops on Uber. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up Uber on a device. Now give the permissions if you want to. Then tap on enter pickup point. Now search for the location. Now select the location. Now select the destination. Now tap on any one of the location. Now simply tap on the plus icon to add stops. Then tap on add stop. Now select the location. Again select the location. Now once you're done with the stops, simply tap on done. Then tap on choose and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.